RepricerExpress is a powerful dropshipping software, but before you commit, there are 12 key things you should know to determine if it's the right fit for your business. Let's dive into what sets RepricerExpress apart from the competition. First, RepricerExpress specializes in automating price adjustments on platforms like Amazon and eBay. While some competitors only focus on one marketplace, RepricerExpress supports multiple platforms, making it a versatile choice for dropshippers managing listings across various channels. Next, it offers advanced repricing strategies. The software's flexible settings allow you to adjust prices based on competitors' moves, market demand, and your desired profit margin. This level of customization isn't always available with other repricing tools, which can be a deal breaker for some sellers. The third thing to consider is the user interface. RepricerExpress has a clean, straightforward dashboard that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. Unlike some competitors that can overwhelm you with complex options, RepricerExpress keeps it simple without sacrificing functionality. The fourth thing is its pricing. RepricerExpress offers tiered subscription plans, making it suitable for businesses of different sizes. While some competitor tools might have more affordable entry points, the feature set in RepricerExpress justifies the cost for growing businesses looking to scale up. Moving on, the fifth point to keep in mind is its speed. RepricerExpress is known for real-time repricing, which can give you a competitive edge. Some other tools experience delays, meaning you might miss the optimal price window, but RepricerExpress ensures your prices stay competitive constantly. The sixth thing is its robust analytics and reporting features. The software provides detailed insights into your pricing history, sales performance, and competitors' behavior. Some alternatives might offer basic reports, but RepricerExpress gives you deeper analysis that can help optimize your business strategy. The seventh thing is how well it integrates with other dropshipping tools and platforms. RepricerExpress supports integrations with popular inventory management and order processing systems. This makes it easier for dropshippers who already use other tools to add repricing functionality without a hassle. Next, RepricerExpress offers automated rules that let you control when and how your prices change. You can set these rules based on certain conditions like price change percentages or competitor activity. This is a step up from some competitors that only provide manual repricing or limited automated options. The ninth thing to consider is customer support. RepricerExpress has a responsive team available via live chat, email, and phone. While some competitors might leave you waiting for a response, RepricerExpress is known for providing timely support to help with any issues that arise. The 10th thing is the lack of a free trial. Unlike some competitors that offer free trials to give you a taste of their services, RepricerExpress doesn't have that option. However, they do offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, which gives you some peace of mind. Moving on, the 11th point is how well it works for international sellers. RepricerExpress supports global currencies and shipping, making it a solid choice for international dropshippers. Some competitors may not offer this level of flexibility when it comes to global sales. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is that RepricerExpress is consistently updating and improving its features. The company listens to customer feedback and regularly adds new functionalities, ensuring it stays competitive in the evolving dropshipping market. Some other software options might stagnate, but RepricerExpress continues to evolve to meet the needs of its users. In conclusion, RepricerExpress is a great tool for automating your repricing, offering advanced features and robust support. But if you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.